Let's go check out today what we can get in Benton, Arkansas for $225,000. Believe it or not, it's going to be a spacious 3-bedroom, 2-bath, and it is fantabulous. So as we walk up, the beautiful thing that we get is this amazing covered front porch. Can't you just see yourself sipping your morning coffee out here and enjoying the lovely Arkansas weather right from your very own covered front porch? Wouldn't a ceiling fan or some hanging plants be lovely there? And as we move on into the front door, we come into a large, spacious living room. Imagine that. There's even room in this home for a piano and plenty of seating for you and the whole family. We've got a large sofa, additional seating, and a piano, still with plenty of room for walkway and bar stools at our breakfast bar. And moving into the kitchen, we've got a lovely space for a dinette set, even with room for a china cabinet. So plenty of room and tons of natural light. And as we move over towards our kitchen area with newer stainless steel appliances, lovely wood cabinetry, and updated countertops, there's plenty of room for the chef in your life to create all the family meals. Just off our fantastic kitchen and dining area, we've got a large laundry room with a door. It's the perfect place to do all the family laundry and store all those larger appliances like your crock pot. And isn't that one cute in a bright blue color? Off the entryway, we found our primary bedroom, which is extra large in size. It's got a lovely king bed with room for nightstands on both sides and a dresser, and additional walking space over here beyond the bedroom. Behind our door is a lovely large closet. There's room for his and hers in here, or if you're like my family, just hers. Tons of shoes, plenty of storage space because that is an extra tall space between the shelf and the ceiling, probably close to 3 feet. And then we've got room for long clothing and then a double rack over here on this side. As we move through the primary bedroom, we move into the primary bathroom with an extra large vanity, toilet, and a really nice shower. Plenty of storage in here. We've got this storage cabinet, a medicine cabinet, and we've also got a really nice deep linen closet. So tons and tons of storage here in our Benton 3-bedroom, 2-bath. There's another look at our large primary bedroom. Tons and tons of space. As we move down the hallway now, we'll go check out some more storage. Remember, we've got storage galore here. So another huge linen closet, really deep, extra deep, probably again close to 3 feet deep. And straight across, we have another coat closet. Not quite as deep as the linen, but definitely room for lots of storage. Then we move into the first of the 2 guest bedrooms. Extra large in size, fresh carpet, large closets. Again, this one's probably even taller. This may be more than 3 feet. Lots and lots of square footage in the closet. Directly across from this bedroom, we have our second guest bedroom. Again, with an extra large space, nice large bed, plenty of room to walk around, and our favorite, lots and lots of natural light. This one has a similar closet to the one directly across from it. Tons and tons of storage. The last thing we're going to check out inside the house is the guest bathroom, which is at the end of the hallway between our 2 guest bedrooms. We've got, again, plenty of storage, a vanity with extra storage underneath. Plus, we've got another storage cabinet up here over our toilet and a really nice insert. As we exit the kitchen, we head out to the spacious patio and backyard. One of the other benefits, remember we talked all about storage at this house today, is it comes with this really nice large storage building. Perfect to keep lawnmower, all the extra toys in. And we've got us a fully fenced backyard with some additional parking on the side, which is great. So cute patio area right off the kitchen. Large backyard. And on this side, not only do we have additional parking, but we've got a full drive-through gate with parking that could hold an RV. Ready to rock and roll. So this is what you can get in Bryan, Arkansas for $225,000. Okay, hit me up in the comments. Let me know if you were surprised at what you could get in Benton, Arkansas for $225,000. 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, totally updated, tons of storage, additional parking, a drive-through gate, all for $225,000.